Yo, 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 what's going on, boys? What's going on? Um, I haven't been posting for some time now. I think it was like 3 weeks that I stopped posting, or 2 weeks. Um, the reason was, I'm gonna keep it honest and simple. I was getting my ass beat with fucking evaluations. So I just kept on blowing and blowing and blowing. $50 account, basically 25K Lucid Flex account. Um, and I got tired of it. I took a little break of a week. I kept on trading, and when I came back, uh, I came back with a different approach to prop firms. I want to keep it as simple to you guys as possible and as fast as possible with my explanation. So basically, I found myself, just blowing and blowing and blowing accounts. Um I would blow them in 2 days, basically. So I would just full port my accounts, and I was finding myself just wasting money. And I decided to give a different approach to the prop firms, and basically, instead of buying evaluations, I started buying straight to funded accounts. And when I resume my trading, I am now trading with a straight to funded account. So basically, this is a funded account, and the rules are pretty simple. The only, I could say, bad thing is the 20% consistency rule that almost every funded account, straight to funded account, has, which is basically, you can reach a payout in 5 days, but out of those 5 days, no single day can amount more to 20% of the total requested amount of payout. So if you're taking a $1,000 payout, no day out of the 5 days is, let's say, no day can be over $200. If one day is over $200, then you went above the 20% consistency rule, and then you're gonna have to make a little bit more money to be able to request $1,000 payout, and so on and so on. I can explain that in a different way, but so if y'all want me to, but I think you guys are pretty known about that. I guess some of you guys really trade straight to funded. So maybe one is profitable, but the way you're trading is not it. So I am going to try with straight to funded accounts. They're a little bit more expensive, but I think the way I was blowing evaluations, it's the same thing for me uh, to buy straight to funded if they last a bit more. So if they last a bit more, I might be able to spend the same. So yeah, let's get started in today's. So today, going into the day, NQ was looking pretty bearish. ES was not. So I said I will be open for either. I saw right here. Market looking pretty mixed. ES is not below previous day's low. NQ is bearish in general. ES is still bullish a bit. So it might be a long or short day. So it can be either one of those. So when the day opened, um, let's see over here. So we wait for the 15-minute opening range to be set. That's what I do, and I trade VWAPs. So when the 9:30, 9:45 is set, here we had our first break of the opening range to the downside. We break it, we retrace to opening range low, but I always wait for the pullback to the 9:30 New York VWAP, which is this blue line. We never touched it. We got away from it until here, and we were making new lower days, but never had a retracement that actually touched the VWAP. So here, the only trade you could have taken was a retracement to this 930 VWAP, somewhere around here, stop loss here, back to previous structure, which is this low. But the problem here is this is a mid-range trade, and basically a mid-range trade mm, is when we haven't taken the high or the low of opening range, and we take it at the middle. That's a mid-range trade. Doesn't matter if it's a mid-range trade to the upside or to the downside. That's a mid-range trade. And when I take mid-range trades, usually my lower, basically mid-range trades have way lower win rate than a double break or a break and retest trade. So I skipped it. Now once we broke, oh, my fault. Once we broke the downside, never a retracement until here, and this is what we're sitting at. But to me, we are way too late on the day, and this is the trade I took. So when we were retracing up here, boom, 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 I saw this a normal retracement. Then I felt, I said, I saw we were failing to make new higher highs, as you can see right here, new higher highs. And when we retook the low day VWAP, I entered a short position on the retracement, stop loss here. And when I saw we were consolidating, I decided to get out at a little bit of profit. And my account summary is now sitting at a $4.35 win. And my account is sitting at almost at $100 profit. Um, so that's basically it. That's basically my trade for today. Trade would have never worked because I was trading to previous structure right here. And now we took New York VWAP and we're sitting above start of day VWAP. Um, so I think that actually might want to. The thing is, this can be a normal retracement for another leg lower, but then this can actually be a reversal because we didn't expand below previous day's low and we barely started it on the week. So we can have a bullish week. So I got nothing to do with this anymore. I took my trade. It was almost a break even. And with this, I resetted my inactivity rule, which is if you don't trade for more than 7 days, your account gets closed. I was at day 5. And with this, it reset it to 0. So now it's going to go 1, 2, 3 again and again and again. So with this, I made $4. I am out for today. I still got tomorrow and Thursday to see if I get some opportunities. And if not, then um, we'll see what's up. But so this was my recap for today. I also got a affiliate code with Alpha Futures that I would really appreciate you guys if you guys use. I know I'm not nobody special, and I know I am not profitable, but you guys will really, really help me if you guys used my code. And my code is this one over here, which I will do right now. So this is my code, boom, on Alpha Futures. Oh shit, my phone. The fuck is happening? That is my code on Alpha Futures. This is my code. Man, that JORDY 027719. I will also leave a link in the description. So if y'all want to buy some accounts, y'all can go through that link and that will really help me. I will try to I will not try. I will be as transparent as possible and I will show you guys if I ever get a lot of views and you guys really like my content and you guys really find my content helpful and interesting and the way I trade, I will show you guys everything. I will show you guys when I get a payout, the trades I took to get to that payout, when I blow that account, because most likely I will, and all of it. I will also show you guys how much I made from affiliate codes. I don't want to be a guru, and I guess if I don't want to be a guru, um, I will get way less views, but that's okay. All I want is honest people who actually want to be traders, not people who just want to live in a false illusion. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.